Keeping your vehicle looking clean, glossy, and well-protected requires more than an occasional trip through the car wash. Road dust, dirt, rain, UV exposure, bird droppings, and environmental contaminants can gradually dull your vehicle's finish and reduce the appearance of its paintwork. That's why quality exterior cleaning and protection products have become essential tools for car owners who want to maintain a showroom-quality shine throughout the year. Modern car exterior cleaners and detailing sprays do much more than simply remove dirt. Many products now combine cleaning agents with advanced waxes, ceramic protection technologies, hydrophobic coatings, and gloss enhancers that help preserve paint while making future cleaning easier. Whether you're a weekend detailing enthusiast or simply want your vehicle to look its best with minimal effort, the right product can make a noticeable difference. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best car exterior cleaners for 2026 to help you find the perfect balance of cleaning power, paint protection, gloss enhancement, and convenience. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Quick Wax. Meguiar's has been one of the most trusted names in automotive detailing for decades, and the Gold Class Carnauba Quick Wax remains a favorite among drivers who want fast results and impressive shine. Designed for quick application, this product helps enhance gloss while adding a layer of wax protection to your vehicle's finish. One of the biggest advantages of this wax is its convenience. Traditional waxing can be time-consuming, but this quick wax formula allows users to achieve noticeable shine and protection in a fraction of the time. The Carnauba-based formula is designed to enrich paint depth and improve overall appearance. Whether applied after a wash or used as a maintenance product between major detailing sessions, it helps keep paint looking fresh and vibrant. Another benefit is versatility. The spray format allows for easy application on a variety of painted surfaces, making it suitable for everyday vehicles as well as enthusiast-owned cars. Coming in at number 4 is Turtle Wax Wax and Dry. Turtle Wax has built a strong reputation for producing easy-to-use car care products, and Wax and Dry is designed specifically for drivers who want a quick and efficient way to protect their vehicle after washing. One of the standout features of this product is its simplicity. As the name suggests, it can be applied during the drying process, helping save time while still delivering a protective finish. The formula is designed to boost shine while adding a layer of water-repelling protection. Hydrophobic properties help encourage water beading, which can make future cleaning easier and help reduce water spotting. The product is also suitable for regular use, making it a convenient option for maintaining a clean and glossy appearance throughout the year. For drivers who value speed, convenience, and affordability, Turtle Wax Wax and Dry is a strong contender. At number 3 is Maxima SC1 High Gloss Coating. The Maxima SC1 High Gloss Coating has become extremely popular among automotive enthusiasts, motorcycle owners, and powersports users because of its ability to produce an impressive high-gloss finish. One of the key strengths of this product is its shine-enhancing capability. The formula is specifically engineered to restore and maintain a deep, rich appearance on exterior surfaces, helping vehicles look freshly detailed. Another advantage is versatility. In addition to painted surfaces, the coating can often be used on plastic trim, rubber components, and other exterior materials, helping improve the appearance of multiple areas of the vehicle. Users often appreciate how quickly the product transforms dull or faded surfaces into glossy, eye-catching finishes. For those seeking maximum visual impact and surface enhancement, Maxima SC1 High Gloss Coating delivers impressive results. Taking the number 2 spot is GYON Hydrophobic Ceramic Spray. GYON has earned a strong reputation in the detailing industry for its advanced ceramic-based products, and this hydrophobic ceramic spray showcases many of the benefits associated with modern paint protection technology. One of the biggest advantages of ceramic sprays is their ability to create a highly water-repellent surface. The hydrophobic properties encourage water to bead and roll off the paint, helping reduce water spots and making cleaning significantly easier. Another major benefit is enhanced paint protection. The ceramic-infused formula helps provide a protective barrier against environmental contaminants, road grime, and everyday exposure to the elements. The spray application process also makes ceramic protection more accessible than traditional coating systems. Users can enjoy many of the benefits of ceramic technology without the complexity associated with professional-grade installations. And finally, taking the #1 spot is Adam's Detail Spray. Adam's Detail Spray earns the top position because of its outstanding balance of cleaning capability, shine enhancement, ease of use, and versatility. Widely respected among both professional detailers and automotive enthusiasts, this product has become a staple in many car care routines. One of the biggest strengths of Adam's Detail Spray is its versatility. It can be used as a quick detailer, drying aid, gloss enhancer, and maintenance product between washes. This flexibility makes it one of the most useful detailing products available. The formula is designed to safely remove light dust, fingerprints, water spots, and other minor contaminants while leaving behind a smooth and glossy finish. This helps maintain a freshly detailed appearance with minimal effort. Another major advantage is ease of application. The spray-on, wipe-off process allows users to achieve professional-looking results quickly, making it ideal for both experienced detailers and beginners. The product also delivers exceptional gloss enhancement. Paint surfaces appear deeper, cleaner, and more reflective after application, helping vehicles maintain a showroom-quality appearance. Choosing the right car exterior cleaner depends on several important factors. Cleaning performance, gloss enhancement, paint protection, ease of application, durability, and overall convenience all contribute to the user experience. A quality exterior detailing product can help preserve your vehicle's appearance, protect its finish from environmental damage, and simplify future maintenance. Whether you prefer traditional wax protection, advanced ceramic technology, or an all-purpose detailing spray, investing in the right product can keep your vehicle looking its best year-round. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best car exterior cleaners for 2026. From Miguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Quick Wax, Turtle Wax Wax and Dry, Maxima SC1 High Gloss Coating, and GYON Hydrophobic Ceramic Spray, to the top-rated Adam's Detail Spray, there's a perfect solution here for every vehicle and detailing budget. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest automotive reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.